Hey everybody, Kai here from Sculptcraft Studio. Today we are going to look at something a little different than we usually do. We have our first placental beavers. So these little guys here are actually twins, or they're labeled as twins. We don't know, we haven't opened them up yet. I'm almost wondering if there isn't three here. It's quite possible there could be two twins that share a placenta and one separate, but we're going to open these guys up and see. And we thought you would like to join us. I know someone will ask, no, the mom was not killed to get the babies, but sometimes through hunting or trapping or roadkill or any number of things, there are often little ones inside, especially with beavers because they have a long season. And we got lucky and somebody asked if we wanted them, and so we're sharing them with you all. I'll start with this small one right here. These a lot of times make great educational pieces. Wow, they're so cute. These are supposed to be pretty close to birth age, so we may be able to mount these guys up. If not, they will be educational wet specimens, but I think this one's going to be old enough. So here's one. Look at that. What's also cool about these guys is you wouldn't want to kill baby beavers, and if they were to get killed in a car auto collision, it's unlikely they'd be in good enough shape to mount in like an educational diorama. But these guys are in really good shape. We've got some Dawn water over here to kind of rinse them off in. Now this is the one I'm curious about. I'm betting there's two in here. And there's 2. So that's a fun thing about multiple births in mammals. Sometimes twins will share a placenta and sometimes they will not. Now, who can tell me in the comments what it's called when you have twins that have separate placentas and twins that have the same one? Let me know below. We'll go ahead and save these 2 and see if we can't do some kind of wet specimen educational display with those as well. If anybody knows how common or rare it is for beavers to have triplets, I'm not sure. This is pretty cool. It could be a learning experience for all of us. So if you happen to know, share that in the comments too. Still a little frozen. Never know what fascinating things we're gonna get to work with. This is our first time working with these. With any luck, they'll be able to go together with a adult. Nice little diorama, little spring diorama. There. Yeah. Too cute. There they are. Fully furred little beaver kids. Keep an eye on the channel. We'll hopefully have these guys mounted up as soon as we get time. But there you go. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.